Well, yes, you can look for meanings of new difficult words in your online dictionary, or you can simply Google them. You can also watch these kind of YouTube videos to improve your English. But there is one more way in which your phone can be really beneficial to you, even if your internet is off. Want to know how? Then let's dive into this video straight away. Hi everyone, I'm Namita. Welcome back to this channel. And if you're watching this video, then you certainly are watching it over your phone. Most likely, some of them may be watching it on laptop, but mostly we are so addicted to our phones these days. The phone is always by our side, in our pockets, in front of our eyes. Tell me if I'm not right. So I am just telling you one more technique with the help of which you can improve your English by using your own phone only. Now you have numerous ways in which your phone is already helping you. One of them is that you're watching this video, it will tell you a new technique. Of course, there are so many ways people have gained a lot of new skills through the phone, but that is with the medium of internet. When you have an internet, you have access to Google, you have access to YouTube, you have access to other applications. You can definitely improve your English if you are already going through some online classes, that is via Zoom. But I'm talking about something when your phone is not connected to a Wi-Fi or your internet data is off. How are you going to be fluent, or how are you going to improve your communication skills by using your phone? See, we all have camera, video recorder, or voice recorder in our phone. So if you have a voice recorder, I'm going to talk about something where we would need a voice recorder. And for those who don't have a voice recorder, I would not say that go to Play Store and download it. Your camera can be really helpful. So this is a technique that I have been using with a lot of my learners. What I tell them is that send me a file where you've recorded your own voice. I generally work through WhatsApp or something like that, but for you, you have to try it at your own homes. So just record your voice, speak something, give yourself a topic, talk about anything. And this particular technique is not for those people who are at the beginners level. It is for those who are already at the medium level. The medium level learners can do it. Even the advanced ones can do it. If you are working on improving your English and taking it to a next level, you want to become more fluent, or you want to appear for IELTS or something, you have a speaking test, so or interview preparation kind of thing. So you can try this one. What to do? Now, for those who are preparing for interviews, what you can do is you can start recording your answers about the basic questions like, tell me something about yourself. This is something which everyone is going to ask you, so you can prepare about it and record your voice talking about it. About your strengths and weakness, you know that these kind of questions are always asked. Start telling about your qualifications, about your education background, or your family, or where you belong, your city, everything. Record it. For the people who are recording generally, who are not preparing for interview, but they want to improve their English communication skills, so what you can do is you can talk about your life, you can talk about your friends, you can talk about your family, you can talk about your career goals, you can talk about what do you want to achieve in dreams. And if you have nothing, then start recording about your last night dreams. Speak what you had seen last night. Most of the people have some dreams. I don't know if there are some who don't dream about anything, but even if you're not dreaming during the night, I'm sure we all have dreams when we are awake. When we are wide awake, we have dreams in life. So you can record about them. Talk about just anything and start recording your voice. Again, I'm saying, if you have nothing, if you're not at all confident that you cannot, can't speak even a single sentence completely, so do one thing: read a book, because book will have whole sentences and you'd be able to record it in a correct manner. What will happen is, when you will listen to your recording, you will get to know where you need improvement. And don't say that, how will I get to know? Trust me, you are the best judge for yourself. When we are talking about self-learning, when we are talking about self-development, no one can improve you better than you yourself. So try recording your own voice and listen to it. You will get to know. You already know where you are making mistakes. Somewhere we don't want to confront it. But when you listen to that recording, you know that this is the area where you need to improve. You know that the pronunciation is not happening correctly. You know that you're making some grammatical errors. You know that you're using a lot of pauses and fillers. You're using a lot of the thinking time is too much. It is prolonged. When you doing the translation thing, you get to know that your speaking would be prolonged. It would not come as it should. It would not be very fluent. So recording your own voice and listening to it is very helpful in making learners fluent. It is very helpful. So I do it with my live learners. I make them record their voice and send it to me so that I can give them a feedback and I can do the corrections. This is what I do. But at this platform, because I have no direct contact with you, so I can only help you with recording your own voice. You listen to it on your own. We get to know where we are wrong. We very well get to know where we are wrong. Keep doing this till you are happy with your recording, because there will come a time when you'll be very happy with your recording. You'll feel that yes, now what I'm speaking is something that I wanted to hear. So if there is a coordination between your brain, your mind, your ears and your mouth, everything is going to be fine. I keep talking about this mind and speech coordination, where if you are translating, your mind will first translate and then your tongue will speak. That doesn't really happen. So speaking a new language, if I can call it a new language, though English is not a new language, but yes, it is not our first language. So speaking a language like English, we need to have a very good coordination between our mind and our speech. So otherwise also, when we are speaking, like I'm speaking now, I'm listening to my own voice. But when you listen to your own recording, you know your mistakes, you know your areas of improvement, and you know it best. Believe me on this one statement when I say that you know it best. No one else is, not even your trainer, no teacher, no one. You are your best judge. If it is about the technicalities, yes, grammar and all these things, where did I make mistakes? See, you're watching so many videos by now, you already know what is the best way. I'm sure many of you know more techniques than I am, because I'm the only one who is making the videos. You're watching hundreds of videos from different trainers, from different people, from different creators. You're watching numerous videos, so you know the best techniques. All you need to do is have faith in yourself, have faith in the work that you've done till now. You're sitting in front of your phone, you're just watching videos, you're just watching people speak, you're just watching people telling you techniques, but are you actually practicing them? That is the question. So you know the techniques, you even know the grammatical technicalities. Trust me, you know it, because if you are seriously working on your English, you know the technicalities. You know what is the right way, you know what is the right sentence formation, everything. So you know it by now. All you need to do is you have to start working. So the first thing, because you are still in front of your phone screen, start recording. Record your own audio, record your own voice speaking in English. If you can speak something on your own, well and good. If you can't, pick up a book, read and then record. Record your voice while reading the book. Do it either way and keep doing it for few days. Keep improving. Listen to that audio, improve your mistakes where you feel that this is the area I'm not speaking up to the mark, because you listen to a lot of speakers, you know which is the right way to speak. So if you really are interested in working on your English, you start doing this activity. It is going to be very helpful. I'll keep coming up with a lot of techniques in which you can learn English in a fun way, so that it should not become like a taboo. Oh my god, I cannot speak in English. I want to make it simple, I want to make it fun. So this is one technique, recording your own voice, where you can improve your English with the help of your phone only. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing your English in front of the mirror. Bye bye for now.